The registrar shall not register the prospectus unless the following requirements have been complied with. Prospectus is dated. Prospectus is signed by every person who is named therein as a director or proposed director or by his agent authorized in writing. It shall state matters and reports specified in the second schedule. Experts whose statement are included in the prospectus have given their written consent for issue of such statements. Experts whose statement are included have not been involved in the formation, promotion or management of the company. All requirements regarding approval, issue and registration of prospectus have been complied with. The prospectus is required to be approved by the Commission, and shall be published within 60 days from the date of Commission's approval unless the period of 60 days have been extended for reasons to be recorded in writing. A copy of the prospectus shall be submitted to the Commission for approval not less than 21 days before the proposed date of its publication. The company shall publish prospectus in full text and in such abridged form as may be prescribed, in at least one Urdu and one English daily newspaper. The prospectus shall be published in the newspaper not less than 7 days or not more than 30 days before the commencement of public subscription. The copies of the prospectus shall also be made available with all the securities exchanges of the country, with all the bankers to the issue, the concerned share registrar, the concerned balloter and the concerned credit rating agency, if any, and should be uploaded on the company's website. Securities offered by securities exchange. If securities are offered in connection with a private offer, issue of shares of a subsidiary to members of a listed holding company, as a dividend, or any other distribution in the prescribed manner. If the securities are offered by the issuer to members or employees of the issuer, members of families of any such members or employees, and if securities are shares and are offered as a bonus shares to any or all of the members of the issuer. A prospectus including a statement purporting to be made by an expert shall not be issued unless the expert has given his written consent for the issue of prospectus containing his statement and has not withdrawn such consent before the delivery of the copy of the prospectus to the registrar for registration. A statement that he has given and has not withdrawn his consent as aforesaid appears in the prospectus. Every issuer, director of an issuer, or any person who has signed the prospectus shall be liable to pay compensation to any person who acquires any securities, in reliance upon the prospectus, to which it relates and suffers loss in respect of them as a result of any incorrect, untrue or misleading statement in the prospectus, or the omission from it of any matter required to be included under the Securities Act.